Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
10 easy ways to raise a happy child. It's the decisions you make along the way of your parenting journey that will decide how your child will grow up to be. Nevertheless, there are certain tips that you can follow to try your best to raise a happy little individual. Tip number 1. Use positive reinforcement. Kids need a lot of validation. This is why you must appreciate your child whenever he does something right. But do not praise him when he is wrong. Tip number 2. Teach your child to be patient. It is important to let your child understand the benefits of long-term enjoyment and just the basic fact that everything takes its own time. By inculcating the values of patience, your child will stop being his own enemy and won't feel sad and dejected. Tip number 3. Ensure that you listen to your child. Your child needs to know that he can talk to you about anything, and you will truly understand what he's going through. Tip number 4. Help your child form good relationships. Your child might bond easily with family and even with his friends. But you need to teach him to do that with acquaintances or even neighbors. By developing relationships with others, it can further empower him in his identity. Tip number 5. Spend fun-filled moments together. Make time to spend with your child in various fun-filled activities. Try to disconnect from the role of a parent and an adult and instead become his friend. Tip number 6. Teach your child to be kind. Over time, your child must know that there is more to his life than just himself. By cultivating empathy and kindness for others, he will begin to discover the happiness of a unique kind that only ever emerges from this. Tip number 7. Make your child independent. Overprotectiveness on your part can make your child irritated or make him excessively dependent on you. If your child falls while playing, let him fall and cry for a while. He will gradually learn to dust himself up and start playing again. Tip number 8. Establish proper routines. Having a routine also helps your child develop a sense of achievement where he has done everything he needs to do in the day. Tip number 9. Work towards developing an interesting skill. Whatever your child's interest might be, allow him time to pursue it and guide him in getting better at it. Tip number 10. Let your child see that you are happy too. Happiness is contagious. So if you are happy, your child will be happy with you. So stay happy and let your child see that despite various problems that life throws at him when he grows older, he can always find a reason to be happy. Raising a child to be a responsible young person and having a happy mindset is not easy. The right kind of feedback, interaction, and moderate guidance can help you make your child grow up to be a happy individual.